So yun guys, kakain kami ngayon dahil birthday ni Boss N. Yan. Ito yung mga kasama namin. Ito yung may birthday ngayon, no? Si Boss N. Regular size. Tsaka si Princess Jillian. Princess Jillian. Birthday niya ngayon. Manililibre siya. Bali, Kopi Oriana.
Shake daw o shake?
Boss, kuhay ka sa vlog, boss. Yan, okay.
Anong flavor to?
Ito.
Chocolate daw, chocolate.
So yun guys, nag-order pa lang kami. Abangan nyo, let's go.
Saan may tao?
Hey! Okay na. Oh. Okay na. Kasama na.
Okay, bless the food.
Ah.
Ulit-ulitin ko sa'yo ang nadarama ng aking puso. Ang damdamin ko'y para lang sa'yo. At kahit kailanman di magbabago. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yan, birthday. Subotin mo ba?
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ariana. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bossing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday.
So yan, sold out mga boss. Grabe, lalakas na kumain.
Ito kay Gucci.
Yan, kay Gucci. Sold pa? Di ba pagsalita? Sold ka ba? Sold ka, sold! Sold me? Yan na, good. Sold ba? Sold, sold. Sold ba kayo? Sold ba kayo? Birthday boy. Yan. Sold, sold, sold. Sold, sold. Grabe, sold ka. Mga Boracay yan, mga Boracay, mga Boracay. Boracay. Kami naman, Payot. Ano? Padre Tio? Padre Tio. Padre Tio lang kami.